Beefyprepper the Gold Digger and BG. We're hiking a long ways on a rainy day to go find gold. And I was gonna do the drawing today. Somebody left all the names at home. So I'll have to either do a video late at night when I get home tonight or tomorrow.
You can do it when you get home.
For now,
Slacker.
we're gonna go find some gold. All right, this is a disappointment. This creek is tiny. We hiked a long ass way. Looks a lot bigger on the map. So we're gonna try to test paint a little and hopefully there's some gold here. Let you know what we find. I don't think it's black sand.
It's clay.
Stinky. That's what I said, it's stinky.
We'll make 2 holes.
I'll be done in a second. All right, go ahead.
How the hell did you gold pan in this?
Oh, very careful.
Pew. Poop.
I think that other creek across might have been better. It had bedrock.
Where?
The other one across. Walk in here.
How can you see with those nasty ass waters?
I've got clean water up there. Just real gently. Well, I struck out and it's starting to rain harder. BG's just panning hers back. We crossed another creek that was pretty small like this, but there was a whole lot of bedrock on the side. I'm thinking we should go back to that one. I'm thinking I should put the poncho in my pocket on. BG's wearing a raincoat. She's got a lot more black sand than me. I'll let you know in a second what we decide. All right, BG struck out again as well. It probably would test pan a little more if there was some water to run our sluices and it wasn't raining. Yeah. I know. Snow and ice doesn't stop me. Why would a little rain? I guess it hasn't stopped me. I'm still out here. All right. I'll be back with you when we get to the other creek. So we've made it to this other location. Still not very much water. Nice big gravels. We got a piece of quartz. Got some quartz here. Saw some big pieces of ceramic. So we're gonna do a couple test pans in the rain as soon as I dam up a spot so that we have enough water to pan. Looking at the quartz, fucking dork. See you in a minute. All right, beautiful area as you've seen in some of the B-roll footage. But it's raining and we brought kids with us and they're cold and they're whiny and they wanna go home. So me and BG are gonna come back here another day. Had one little tiny poop speck out of a shovel there. What do? They nagged me to come down here in the rain. You know, I spent 4 days working on the garden, away from nature. This is beautiful whether I get gold or not. Even just a hike through the nature feels good. So it's not a loss. You guys might be bored because I know you love to see that gold, but I'm loving every minute of it. All right, guys. So, no gold to clean up. BG's way up there. Can't have her help me say goodbye. So, thanks for watching.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that bell. Ding, ding, ding.
What he said. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. Ding, ding, ding. I'll be doing a giveaway drawing here soon. I promise. See you guys later.